What if your next delivery doesn't come from a person, but from the sky? Because that's not the future anymore. It's already happening. I've actually experienced this myself. In Dallas, I ordered food and a drone delivered my sandwich. And in Phoenix, I had vitamins delivered, not by a driver, but by a drone. That might not sound like a big deal, but every one of those deliveries could have been done by a person. It's not replacing drivers overnight, but it's already taking some of their work. Think about it. If drones take even 10 to 20% of deliveries, that's 10 to 20% less income for drivers. People don't always lose their jobs instantly. Sometimes they just start making less. For companies, this is simple. Drones are faster, cheaper, and don't deal with traffic. And once this technology scales, there's no going back. Of course, it's not perfect yet. Drones can't carry heavy items. Weather can stop them, and they don't work everywhere. But this is how it starts. Small deliveries, simple orders, and then slowly more. It starts with a sandwich, but it doesn't end there. The future doesn't arrive all at once. It shows up one delivery at a time. Stay informed, stay ahead, and subscribe to Digital Foresight. This isn't about fear, it's about awareness, because the future is coming either way. The question is, are you ready?